10 money mistakes may trap you in lifelong poverty. The money mindset shift. Most people see money as a hurdle. What if you viewed it as an opportunity? Changing this mindset is the first step to unlocking financial potential and achieving your dreams. Understanding value. Money is more than numbers. It's a representation of value. By comprehending this, you can make informed decisions, ensuring each dollar works effectively for you. Invest in knowledge. Education is your most valuable asset. By investing in financial literacy, you can navigate markets, understand investments, and make informed choices that grow your wealth. Budgeting as a foundation. A solid budget is the cornerstone of financial success. It outlines income, expenses, and goals, allowing you to manage your resources and maximize your money's potential. Embrace smart spending. Spending wisely doesn't mean deprivation. It means prioritizing what matters most, cutting unnecessary costs, and enjoying life while securing your financial future. The power of saving. Saving isn't just about stashing away cash. It's about building security. Consistent saving can buffer against life's uncertainties and offer peace of mind. Invest for growth. Investing isn't just for the wealthy. It's for anyone willing to learn. By investing, you let your money work for you, opening avenues for growth and financial freedom. Understanding debt. Debt can be a tool or a trap. Understanding how to manage it wisely can prevent financial strain and allow you to leverage it for personal or professional growth. Credit, a double-edged sword. Credit can unlock opportunities, but also lead to pitfalls. Learn to manage your credit wisely to build a strong financial reputation and open doors to future prospects. Plan for the unexpected. Life is unpredictable. Having an emergency fund and insurance can protect against unforeseen events, ensuring you're prepared no matter what comes your way. Diversify your income. Relying on a single income source is risky. Explore side hustles, investments, or passive income streams to diversify and secure your financial future. The role of technology. Embrace financial technology. Apps and tools can simplify budgeting, track investments, and provide insights, making it easier to manage your money efficiently. The importance of goals. Financial goals give direction and purpose. Whether it's buying a house, traveling, or retiring early, clear goals motivate and guide your financial decisions. Community and networking. Surround yourself with financially savvy individuals. Their insights and experiences can provide valuable guidance, support, and opportunities for financial growth. Continuous learning. The financial world evolves constantly. Stay informed through books, courses, and mentors to adapt and thrive, ensuring your financial strategies remain effective and relevant. Thank you for watching Transform Your Financial Future today. Take action and start implementing these strategies now to unlock your potential. #Financial Freedom. Go to MoneyLens. Subscribe. Learn. Succeed.